this is GameZone Hacker, and today I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux on Oracle VirtualBox. So let's get started. Yeah, first you need to download the Oracle VirtualBox. You can go to this site virtualbox.org, wiki and downloads. And if you are using Windows, then press on this, or Linux, Solaris host, or OS X host. And also download the extension pack, since it will support for USB 2.0 and 3.0 and much something else. So, and also go to this Kali website and download the image. It will download the ISO image. If you are using a 64-bit computer, then download this by clicking Kali Linux 64 and 32 for 32. Yeah, so I'll download this. It will directly start the download, but since I have already downloaded this, I'll just cancel. And here too it will directly start the download. Yeah, see, I've already downloaded those two, so I'll directly go for installation process. Yeah yeah when you have downloaded both ISO file as well as the Oracle VM Workbox Manager, um, click on new and enter the name of the operating system. So I'll just enter Kali Linux. Yeah, and I'll let this be whatever it is. And for Linux they haven't showed for Kali, so the nearest one to Kali is Debian. Click on next, and I'll prefer this till green line. When the green line ends, I'll recommend this memory size. Okay, so click on next. Create a this will remain as it is. Create a virtual hard disk now. Also, hard disk file type, let it be the same VirtualBox disk image. Storage on physical hard disk, you can read the description of dynamically allocated as well as fixed size here, so do whatever feels right to you. I'll just go for dynamically allocated. And this is the size of storage for Kali Linux, like whatever you install in it. So how much space you want to give, I'll set it to 40 GB. Create. Yeah, it is set, but don't click on start right now. We have to link the ISO file with the Kali Linux. So here you can always change the properties of this, like you can change the type, version, name. In the advanced folder, change these both to bidirectional. This will allow you to transfer files from the host to the virtual machine and vice versa. Yeah, this will be as it is. In the system, go to processor and increase the CPU. I'll keep it 4. The more you processors provide to the VirtualBox, it will run more accurately and fast. Yeah, the display, yeah, just keep it as it is. And yeah, here's the main part. You need to link the Kali Linux ISO file with the VMware. So go and click on empty and click on this disk image. Then click on a choose a disk file. Yeah. So now you have done this, and you can change anytime you want to change the default settings. You can now locate the file where you have saved the ISO file. Just click on OK. And now it is time to start the virtual machine for the installation process. Yeah, select startup disk. You need to, yeah, it is already set to this, so just click on start. Now there are various options available for the installation process, but the most popular is the graphical install. If any other installation process is marked, then you can just change it using the up down keys. So I'll choose the graphical install and press enter. Yeah, now select a language. I'll select English. Select your location. Mine is India. Configure the keyboard. American English. I guess this must be it. Let it be American English. Yeah, now it will do the installation process. Yeah, now enter what you want the host name for this system. I will let it be Kali and continue. Domain name, if you have any domain, then you can enter it, or else just click on continue. I'll just click on continue. Now here you need to enter the username, full name of the new user. So I'll just enter game zone hacker, and click on continue. Now this is the username for your account. You can change it or keep it the same, or whatever you wish. So continue, and here enter the password for the new user, and remember the password, since it will ask every time when you log into the Kali system. So I'll set my password and re-enter the password to verify. Continue. Yeah, now it is asking for partitioning disk. Just use the guided use entire disk, and since we have only one partition, then it will only show this one option. So click on this and continue. Yeah, now this is for selected for partitioning. There are different schemes for it, so you just click on all files in one partition. So click on continue, and now it will ask for write the changes to disk. So click on yes and click continue. Now it will install the base system, so I guess it will take a bit of time. So I'll just pause the video and continue when it's done. After the installation process is done, it will show the screen for configuring the package manager. If you have a package manager, then enter whatever HTTP proxy information you have to give, and if not, then click on continue. I'll just click on continue. it's taking some time, so you need to wait. Yeah, the installation has been completed. So now it will show this software selection screen. You just need to tick whatever you like. I will just keep it as default. In default, these five were ticked, so I'll just continue with it, and it will again do the installation process. Yeah, so the previous process has been completed, and now it is asking to install the grub bootloader on a hard disk. So we'll click on yes and continue. Now you need to make the newly installed system bootable by installing the ROM. Okay, so device for bootloader installation. So now we will click on this second option and click on continue. Now it will install the grub bootloader on the hard disk. Yeah, let him. So finally the installation process has been completed. Now we'll click on continue. And now, yeah, finally the Linux has been started. And click on Kali GNU. Okay, let it capture. So here enter the username and the password. Yeah, finally the Linux has been started. And yeah, so here are some pre-installed tools for you. And so yeah, that's it for the day. uh, See you in the next video. Thank you so much.